Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data from this device. So firstly you have to open your browser, which you normally use, then tap here, go to the history, and then tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select a time period for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or the beginning of time. And then you have to select data formats which you want to clear. It could be browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. And then just tap clear data and the history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.